Good morning, everyone. Happy time zone. So, full disclosure, obviously this is not Riff XR, this is VR chat, but I thought I would try and record this little bit here in this environment. So we have optimized our avatar in Unreal Engine, and before we can actually build the avatar for Android, we have to make sure that everything is set up correctly for an Android build. That means the SDK, the NDK, and the JDK need to be properly set up in Unreal Engine to be able to build for standalone platforms such as Quest. I have a very good tutorial explaining this process step by step and everything you need to install, like Android Studios and which NDKs and SDKs and GDKs and everything you have to install. And this video just explains it a lot better than I can, and that's why I decided it's better to just link this video for you, and then you can pause this video right here, do that other video, and well, come back to this one later. So if you haven't already paused this video and go and do the other video, I will try and link the video up in the cards and also in the description below so that you can easily find it. So go watch that video and I will see you back later. Alright, so when we are back here in the Unreal Engine launch, we will just go and check something. So go to your 5.5. I am currently already at 5.5.4. Select options and scroll down here to make sure that this target platform Android is actually installed. If you haven't done that already, just check it, apply and install it now. And then we can open up our Riff SDK. So if you followed along with the tutorial I linked, then you should now have your Android SDK all set up. So go to Project Settings, Android SDK, your NDK, your GDK, they should all be set up for your own directories and files that you have installed to set up your Android developers setup. This means that you should be good to go to build for Android. So we'll go to Platform, Project Launcher. Then you have this Riff SDK build plugin and for Android. Go to Edit Profile. If you haven't set this up already, browse to your own SDK folder. Make sure that Android is ticked on, which should be by default to your name. So remember the name that you use to create your plugin. You put it here. And don't forget to choose your own file path. So I do have separate folders for my Quest and Android builds. I don't think you actually need them if you don't want to, but I just find this easier. So if you have all of these filled in, go back and then launch the profile. And well, let's see what happens. If everything is set up correctly, it should build everything for you. So if your Android developer's environment is working, then it should build everything for you. But the first time you try and build your avatar will take longer time than it will do after the first time you've actually built it. Usually if something is wrong with your Android build, the build a game for Android will fail. And that's how you know if your Android setup is working or not. All right, it's finished building. You can see here that it completed 5, failed none, and cancelled 0. So that means that, well, it worked. Congratulations. So now you have to go to your folder. So the next step is basically the same as we did for our Windows build, which by the way you can see here. So click through all of the folders, Android, Riff, plugins, request, content, packs. And then here you will have this pack file. You can change the name if you want to. I'm just going to make it Soraya Quest and then zip it. Same as with Windows. The next step is to go back to mod.io/g/riff/xr. Go to your content. Here we had our our test. We will go to admin, files, and this time we will take our quest zip file, tick off that it is for Android, put in a version number. If you have more than one versions because you have added things or changed things, you can put in change logs, agree to the terms and policies, and then upload. So when your file is actually uploaded, you will see that, you will see your version, the file size, and it should be ticked for Android, like your Windows version is ticked for Windows. So now when you have both an Android and a Windows version, it should look something like this. You have your PCVR file with Windows and you have your Android file for Android. When you have done all this, you'll again go back to the Riff XR Discord, to the SDK mods channel, and like last time, you will look up our good friend Dennis, the one that doesn't show his name for me at the moment because I am recording, and you will ask him to look at your avatar, your mod in Riff XR, and approve it. Hi. Welcome back here in VR chat again. So by this time I hope your Android project has built, that everything is working. So if you have gotten this far, then congratulations. I know it was a very long series, but I hope it helped you into making your own avatars. If it doesn't work, then please go to the Discord, to the SDK mods channel, and ask for help there. Basically, this is the extent of my knowledge on the Unreal Engine, that sort of side of things. I mostly know a little bit more about Blender and stuff like that. But there are some super friendly people there who are very much willing to help to get your avatar working, and I will be in the chat as well to help where I can. So if you have trouble, I will see you there. If not, then have fun making your avatars, and remember, you are amazing. Everyone who is making avatars or worlds is awesome. Everyone who is playing Riff is also super awesome. And yeah, maybe we'll see you there. Thank you for watching through this entire series of me rambling on about stuff and all my little bits and my ums and ahs. And thank you so much for watching this all the way through. I really appreciate that. And I hope to see you in it. Thank you for watching. Bye.